If I will invest in a property, same lang siguro sa investment experience ko. May 3 points ako na sinusundan lagi. So, of course, ang mantra ng mga brokers, even ng mga real estate developers, di ba? Parang location, location, location. Laging ganon. Pero nag-evolve yan eh. Pero sa panahon natin ngayon, hindi lang pwedeng puro location eh. So right now, pag sinasabi ko nga sa mga clients natin, sa mga investors natin, aside from location, we should also consider yung timing.
Okay.
When we are buying a property. And aside from that, this the reputation of the developer. Kung yung developer ba is may 100% completion rate ng mga projects niya, malaking factor yun. So location is very obvious. Pag nasa magandang location yung property mo, yung nearby establishments niya, andun lahat, may schools, may public market, di ba? May malls. Kumbaga everything is within reach if doon ka titira. So definitely it's a good location. And siguro yung pangalawa, yung na-mention ko, yung timing. Kasi sometimes, di ba, yung mga developers meron yan mga may mga promos yan, may mga price increase. Kumbaga, laging question when is the best time to buy a property. And it's always now. Kasi sasabihin mo yan pag hindi ka nakabili ng property ngayon, and then after 5 years sasabihin mo, dapat pala bumili ako ng last 5 years. So laging ganun eh, the cycle will always happen. Kaya if you have the capacity to buy now, you do it now. So,